Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we're exploring one of the most iconic dishes from the land of kimchi, Korean gimbap, also known as seaweed rice rolls. At first glance, it may look simple, just rice, vegetables, and seaweed, but inside each roll is a colorful harmony of flavors and textures. Pickled radish, carrots, eggs, spinach, and sometimes even bulgogi beef or spicy tuna. It's the perfect balance of healthy, hearty, and convenient, a lunchbox staple and a street food favorite across Korea. But have you ever wondered how this beloved dish is produced at industrial scale? In today's video, we'll take you inside the world of high-speed conveyor belts, precision machines, and food-safe factories, where thousands of fresh gimbap rolls are made every hour. From rice cooking to ingredient prep, rolling, cutting, and packaging, this is how Korea's favorite rice roll is brought to life in a modern food factory. The first step in large-scale gimbap production begins with the colorful heart of the roll, the vegetables. Leading the way is the vibrant orange carrot, a key ingredient that adds both crunch and visual appeal to every slice. At the factory, fresh carrots are first loaded onto a conveyor, where an automatic system gently scrapes off the outer skin. Then, they're thoroughly washed and passed through a bubbling water bath that uses air and sanitizing agents to ensure 100% cleanliness. Once clean, the carrots are finely shredded into thin strips using high-speed slicing machines. Next, they're tossed into massive industrial pans, where they're quickly stir-fried with a carefully measured blend of oil and seasoning, just enough to bring out the sweetness, without making them soggy. From raw root to flavorful filling, it's a colorful start to the perfect Korean rice roll. The bright yellow pickled radish is sliced into long, even strips to fit perfectly inside each gimbap roll, adding a sweet, tangy crunch and a burst of vibrant color. Fresh spinach is first blanched to a perfect tenderness, keeping its rich green color intact. Then it's transferred into a large industrial mixer, where it's combined with seasoning and roasted sesame seeds. This step infuses the spinach with a nutty aroma and savory depth, giving every gimbap roll that subtle, earthy balance Korea is famous for. At the core of every gimbap roll is the steamed, glutinous rice, soft, sticky, and full of flavor. Here in the factory, premium short-grain rice is cooked in large industrial steamers, ensuring perfect consistency at scale. Once cooked, the rice is transferred to a high-capacity mixing machine, where it's gently tossed with the factory's secret seasoning sauce and a generous amount of roasted sesame seeds. This step gives the rice a rich aroma, subtle sweetness, and a signature taste that ties all the ingredients together. The rice is evenly spread on a dried seaweed sheets by an automatic machine, a Korean signature ingredient that gives gimbap its iconic taste and texture. With the rice perfectly laid out on the seaweed sheets, workers begin the careful process of adding each flavorful ingredient. Spinach, stir-fried carrots, pickled radish, fish cake, crab sticks, and sausage are placed in neat, colorful rows, creating the signature visual appeal of gimbap. Once the fillings are in place, the sheets continue down the conveyor, where a high-speed automatic roller takes over. In just seconds, each sheet is tightly rolled into a uniform gimbap roll, sealed, compact, and ready for the next step. Before cutting begins, the machines are lightly coated with cooking oil by the workers, a simple trick to prevent rice from sticking during slicing. The fully rolled gimbap is then brought to the cutting station, where 6 rolls are lined up in a row for each batch. With one smooth push, the rolls pass through a sharp automatic cutter, slicing them into even bite-sized pieces. The result? Perfectly portioned gimbap, uniform in size, cleanly cut, and ready for packing. After slicing, the freshly made gimbap pieces are carefully arranged in trays by workers, ensuring each portion is neat and visually appealing. These trays are then placed onto a long conveyor belt that transports them into a modern rapid freezing chamber. This advanced freezer uses ultra-cold air to instantly lock in moisture, flavor, and texture, keeping the rice soft and the seaweed crisp, just like freshly made. Thanks to this quick freezing process, the Gimbap maintains its quality even during storage and transport. Once frozen to the perfect temperature, the trays continue their journey along the production line, moving seamlessly into the automated packaging section. Here, machines begin sealing each tray with protective film, preparing them for distribution to supermarkets, convenience stores, or directly to your home freezer, ready to enjoy anytime. Once it reaches your kitchen, all you need is 2 minutes in the microwave, and your delicious, warm Korean gimbap is ready to enjoy. Perfect for a quick meal or snack anytime. So, are you a fan of Korean gimbap? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel and see more factory-made food stories.